Hey, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today is release day of SP Authentic 1920. I'm in Edmonton right now and stopped by West Sports Cards this morning and picked up a couple boxes. So looking at this product, the one thing I noticed right off the bat is these boxes are a lot thinner than previous years. The other ones had 18 packs still, so these ones still have 18 packs. My guess is that the packs don't have the decoys in them anymore. Or maybe not every pack has a decoy in them. Previous years, I believe they ended up putting in like 3 or 6 decoys out of theirs. Now here I'm willing to bet that there's probably, instead of having everyone, I'm willing to bet now there's probably just a few of them that have them in there. So one of the things you always got to watch out for is that these get pack searched. It still says every box contains at least one Future Watch hard signed autograph card on average. 5 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. May contain time-sensitive redemptions, so nothing's changed there. Just looking at what you can get out of here. Yeah, so they still got the base set limited red parallels, 1 in every 6. Spectrum FX cards, levels 1, 2, and 3. Non-autographs. Base set authentic moments, SP Essentials. Upper Deck updates, Young Guns updates, All-Star highlights. And again, then your sign of time. So this really looks like it's about the same product, just seems to be a much thinner box. So I got 2 of them here, and let's begin. Come on. Authentic. They got a pamphlet in here for a product called Stature, coming summer 2020. And again, just like SP Authentic, it looks like you have the first 50 collectors to submit all 100 gold card or bounty or the FX cards there. You can win the parallel set. And you can also get card number 100, which is the Austin Matthews card. Okay, so here we go. We got 18 packs. Yeah, you can definitely see these packs are thinner. I'm sure some of these, yeah, this one here is a thicker one. So tell you what, we're going to save the thicker ones. And let's open the thinner ones and see what happens there. Not a bad looking design. First card is a Keith Tkachuk. Or sorry, Matthew Tkachuk. My apologies. It's not a bad looking design. Steven Stamkos. And we have a SP Essentials, Leon Draisaitl. So that's labeled SPELD. I'm guessing we'll see how many there are per box. William Karlsson and Tom Wilson. Bo Horvat, Philip Grabner, and we got our first Future Watch Spectrum, level 2, Nikita Gusev. So there you got the redemption on there. So I'm trying to remember how many cards there would be in that set. Probably 99 the Spectrums you got to put together and then submit them to Upper Deck, and you can get the Austin Matthews card, plus the silver set. Oscar Klefbom and Brad Marchand. Yeah, so I guess they're saving themselves money on filler. Ben Bishop, Jacob Trouba. We got a Tom Wilson red parallel. So you can just barely make that out with the red. And at least the backs are different, so when you're collating them, that actually helps. Nathan McKinnon, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Carter Hart, Mitch Marner, and a Spectrum FX of Artemi Panarin. Anders Lee, Alex DeBrincat. See, this one's a thicker one as well too, so we're going to save that one till the end. We'll see how many thick ones. There's a third thick one. See if it's 3, 6 of them. We got an Anthony Mantha, Evgeny Malkin, an Upper Deck update card of Alex Martinez, John Tavares, Marc-Andre Fleury. Come on. And this looks to be an autograph Future Watch there, so we'll tell you what, why don't we save that till the end? I know some people hate that, but I want to create a little excitement anyways. We got a Taylor Hall, Jonathan Marchessault. We got a Connor McDavid, SP Essentials. Seems to be the other box. Yeah, it just tells you a little bit of what happened in the last year, it looks like. Artemi Panarin, Mikko Rantanen. We got a Duncan Keith. We got a Seth Jones. We have an Authentic Moments of Carey Price. We got Matt Dumba, Zach Werenski. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Dougie Hamilton, a John Tavares Authentic Moments. So they've still continued with that set. Wow. Really tough to open some of these packs now. Sidney Crosby, Jonathan Toews, a Steven Stamkos. This looks like to be the All-Star Game card. Card number 535. And the only reason I know that is just looking at the bottom. Stammer scores flashy between the legs goal. NHL All-Stars. So I'm not too sure how many of them are for those ones. Tyler Bertuzzi, Braden Point. There's another decoyed one. There's this another one. Another one. So it looks like there's 6 decoys in this box. And again, there may or may not be a patch with that. Apparently one for every half or inner case there's a patch. And here we just got a regular Future Watch. We got Mark Scheifele, William Karlsson, Dmytro Timashov, number 664 out of 999. Sergei Bobrovsky, Patrick Kane. We got a Andrei Vasilevsky, Jack Eichel, damaged. You can see that's got those same printer marks that all the other cards in the past have had. Henrik Lundqvist, Authentic Moments. Roman Josi, and Brady Shen. So now I know in the past, Upper Deck, or last year anyways, they only guaranteed 1 autograph, but every box I opened then had 2 autographs in there, so let's hope that continues with one of these thicker ones. Oh, there's, yeah, definitely a decoy. Jake Gensel, Don Strom. We got a red parallel, or ruby parallel of Alex Tuck. And your decoy, Teuvo Teravainen, and the regular Alex Tuck. Try to get that in the light so you can see that a bit better. Okay. And again, another decoy. Michael Granlund, Richard Rakell, Upper Deck update of Blake Comeau. So there's usually 10 Upper Deck updates. Victor Arvidsson, Joel Pavelski, and there's usually anywhere from 10 to 13 Upper Deck rookies. I know the checklist has been printed. Let's see here. Oh, this is the Young Guns coming up here. So we got a Logan Couture, Miro Heiskanen, and a Cale Clegg. Young Guns. Number 525. I guess the big ones in this year's set is the Elvis, or not the Elvis, sorry, the Igor Shesterkin, as well as the The backup goalie there from Carolina, I can't remember his name right now. David Ayres, I think. Matthew Barzal. Erik Karlsson. Authentic winners, so this is a new subset. Mitch Marner. His named CHL Player of the Year for the Memorial Cup in 2016. So that's a new subset. Jakub Slavin. John Gibson. 2 more packs. We got a Carey Price, Jake DeBrusk, David Pastrnak update, number 501, Connor Hellebuck, and Leon Draisaitl base card. And our last one. So far, only one rookie out of this, or one autograph, and this is another decoy. So we got a Morgan Riley. Oh, this one, Dylan Larkin, and there we go. We got a Michael Granlund autograph base card. So not numbered, gold one, and our other 2 cards are Blake Wheeler and Elias Pettersson. So our other authentic rookie, so we had Connor McDavid, Claude Giroux, and a Trevor Moore on car auto, 868 out of 999. So Upper Deck is holding true to their form. We're getting 2 autographs per box still, even though they guarantee the 1, which is always a good thing. So that's the first box. We'll go on to the second box here. Oh, excuse me. Just trying to get stuff out of the way here. Ah, come on. So starting box number 2, Claude Giroux, Taylor Hall, a Spectrum FX of Patrick Kane, Jeff Skinner, Joe Thornton. Here's a decoy, so I'll tell you what, we're not going to bother with the saving these ones now, we're just going to open them. We got a Carter Hart, Mitch Marner, Upper Deck update of Darcy Kemper, number 508. We got a Patrick Kane, Anders Lee. Jonathan Marchessault, Michael Granlund, and a Spectrum Level 1 Future Watch of Otto Kavula, Artemi Panarin, Mikko Rantanen. We got a Richard Rakell, Andrei Vasilevsky, and here's our Future Watch Auto is Adam Fox, number 893 out of 999. Victor Arvidsson, Joel Pavelski. Brady Tkachuk, John Klingberg, a Ruby Parallel of Alex Ovechkin, Kyle Turris, Vladimir Tarasenko. Nico Hischier, Jonathan Quick, and SP Essentials of Alexander Barkov. And again, talks a little bit about the what happened in the last season. Austin Matthews, Andrei Svechnikov. Miro Heiskanen, Mark Scheifele, and SP Essentials of Alex DeBrincat. A Jakub Vrana, Sergei Bobrovsky. Dylan Strome, Matthew Tkachuk, updates of Joel Edmondson, number 513. So that means there's at least 13 updates this year then. Alex Tuck, William Carson. Usually there's only 10, but... Ah, come on. We got a Bo Horvat, Phil Grabner, Authentic Moments of Ryan Poehling, Alex DeBrincat, Oscar Klefbom. Steven Stamkos, Carey Price, Authentic Moments of Connor McDavid, Tom Wilson, Connor Hellebuyck. Jack Eichel. Again, that Jack Eichel card's got damaged. I think the first box had the same thing. So maybe it's just attributable to one card. Ben Bishop. We got another Future Watch auto, just a different design. Max Jones. 68 out of 399. Oh, they must have different levels this year. RF Future Watch Max Jones. Yeah, because this one here is out of 399. Rowan Josi, Rain Chen. Yeah, usually they're all out of 999. Jacob Trouba, Matthew Barzal, SP Essentials, Carey Price, Nathan McKinnon, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. 6 more packs. See if we'll luck out and actually get a patch card. No, not this one. Morgan Riley, Dylan Larkin, Devin Dubnyk. Oh, this must be the All-Star Game one. Yeah, that's the All-Star Game. Yeah, right at the bottom left there. Yeah, Dubnyk flashes the leather on McDavid. Brad Marchand, Ryan O'Reilly. So it looks like you get one NHL All-Star update per box. Jake DeBrusk. Here's our Young Guns. Duncan Keith, Adam Werner. That was the goalie card, just not the one we were looking for. Leon Draisaitl, Matt Dumba. Come on. Erik Karlsson, Mark Stone, Tyler Toffoli, update. Decoy, Jacob Slavin, John Gibson. And 3 more packs. Seth Jones, Logan Couture, Sebastian Aho, Ruby update, or Ruby parallel. Zach Werenski, Cam Atkinson. Connor McDavid, Sean Monahan, Carter Verhey, Future Watch unsigned, 285 out of 999. Blake Wheeler, Elias Pettersson. Brent Burns, Alexander Barkov, Authentic Moments of Alex Ovechkin, Matt Murray, and Venture Trocheck. So overall, it's still a pretty good product. Still one of my favorites. Everything pretty much is what I was expecting, with the exception of that one Future Watch card. So let's do a quick summary here of the 2 boxes. We got a Alex Ovechkin Authentic Moments, Future Watch non-auto Carter Verhey, 285 out of 999, a Ruby parallel of Sebastian Aho, Upper Deck update Tyler Toffoli. Our Young Guns is Adam Werner. We got a Devin Dubnyk NHL All-Star Game. Carey Price, SP Essentials. We got a Future Watch rookie there of Max Jones, 68 out of 399. So I'm just trying to figure out. Again, I wasn't expecting that to be out of 399, so we'll just compare with the other ones. Connor McDavid, Authentic Moments. Ryan Poehling, Authentic Moments. Joel Edmondson, Upper Deck Update. Alex DeBrincat, SP Essentials. Alexander Barkov, SP Essentials. Alexander Ovechkin, Ruby Parallel, our regular Future Watch of Adam Fox, number 893 out of 999. A Spectrum Level 1 of Otto Kavula, Darcy Kemper, Upper Deck Update. We got a Patrick Kane, Spectrum FX. We got a Trevor Moore, Future Watch Autograph, 869 out of 999. We got a base Michael Granlund autograph. I thought those were limited to 100, but they don't have a numbering on them. David Pastrnak, Upper Deck Update. Mitch Marner, Authentic Winners. The Young Guns of Kel Clegg. Blake Coleman, Upper Deck Update. Alex Tuck, Ruby Parallel, Authentic Moments of Henrik Lundqvist. A Future Watch non-auto of Dmytro Timashov. A Steven Stamkos NHL All-Stars. A John Tavares, Authentic Moments. A Carey Price, Authentic Moments. Connor McDavid, SP Essentials. Alec Martinez, Upper Deck Update. Artemi Panarin, Spectrum FX. Tom Wilson, Ruby Parallel. Nikita Gusev, Spectrum Future Watch Level 2. And an SP Essentials of Leon Draisaitl. So again, actually, I was very happy with the 2 boxes there. I will be opening up more of this product. So expect future videos of that. But I will have to do some investigating. Maybe I'm just missing out on something. Yeah, Max Jones was this year's Future Watch, was he not? Because that's definitely not last year's design. Plus, it's out of $3.99. I'm not too sure what's going on here. If you know what this is about, please leave a comment below. I'm going to do some digging myself. But yeah, it's definitely not the base card number, because these ones here are 194 and 217 for the autographs. This one here is an RFWA MJ. So I don't know if that's a subset. Yeah, it's got 1819 stats on there. So they must have subsets where the autographs are a shorter print on some of them. But these are the regular Future Watch cards. And this one here is just something different. I'm going to have to look that up. But like I said, if you know what it is, please leave a comment below. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching my channel. And until next time, take care.